Hello students, last class we learned about the different equations of a circle. So let's do a quick revision. If you haven't watched the video, you can go and see how we derive different equations. So the first equation is called the standard form when the center of the circle is the origin, that is 0, comma 0, and r is the radius. We write the equation like this. And when the center of the circle is a point h, comma k, then we write the equation as root over x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r. R is the radius of the circle. And if the diameter of the circle is given in terms of coordinates, suppose one side of the diameter is x1, y1, another side is x1, x2, y2, then we write the equation as x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 and y minus y2 equals to 0. So these two ways we can write the equation of a circle. So let's take some questions. Okay, let's take the first question. It's given, find the equation of a circle whose center is minus 2, comma 3 and radius is r. So the r is given 4 and the center is given in terms of a coordinate which we took as h, comma k. So what's the value of h? H is given as minus 2, k is given as 3. So we will use the central form. So the central form was what? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to radius square. So we will write it here. So it will be x minus h is minus 2, it will become minus 2 whole square. Here we will get y minus k, the value of k is 3 whole square, r is 4, it will become 4 square. So if we simplify this, we will get x plus 2 square plus y minus 3 square equals to 16. Now it's a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. If you break it down, it will be what? It will be x square plus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4x. Here we will get y square, 3 square is 9, minus 2, 3 is 6, y equals to 16. If we further simplify this, we will get x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. 9 4s are 9 plus 4 is 13. 16 comes this side, will become minus 3 equals to 0. Hence, this is the equation of the circle. Then let's try a different question. Question given, find the equation of a circle with center 2, comma 2 which passes to the point 4, comma 5. So let's take a circle. We take this circle. So what information is given? The center is given as 2, comma 2 and one point on the circumference is given 4, comma 5. Now obviously we're going to use the central form to write the equation, but in all the equations in both the central and central form we need the value of radius. Now see, if I join this line, this is what? This is the radius of the circle, so we can easily find the radius using the distance formula. So what will be the radius of the circle? 4 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square, so it will be 2 square plus 3 square is 4 plus 9. So radius is under root 13. So we got the value of radius. Now we will simply use the central formula. Let's move it a little bit up. Yeah. So the central formula says x minus h. H is what here? H is 2, k is 2. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square, r square. Now r is root over 13, so r square will be simply 13. So let's break it down. It will be x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equals to 13. If we further simplify this, we'll get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 13 is minus 5 equals to 0. Hence, this is the equation of the circle. Easy. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Let's try the next question. So in this question given, find the equation of a circle with radius 5 units whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, comma 3. So what does it mean? So the radius is given what? 5 units, and it says the center lies on x-axis. If it is lies on axis, the coordinate of the center will be what? I can write h, comma 0, right? Also, the circle goes to the point 2, comma 3. So if I draw the circle, the center lies on the x-axis, that is what? H, comma 0, and the another point is 2, comma 3. Quite similar to the previous question, we can easily find the radius. So radius will be equal to what? R square will be, it will be h minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. R square will be what? 25. So we will get h square plus 4 minus 4h plus 9. So we'll get a quadratic equation from here. So it will be h square minus 4h. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 minus 25 is 12 equals to 0. Now let's solve it. So if you do splitting the midterm, what we are going to get? It will be h square minus 6h plus 2h minus 12 equals to 0. So h, if I take common, it will be h minus 6. If I take 2 common, it will be h minus 6 equals to 0. So the factors will be h plus 2 and h minus 6 equals to 0. So what two values we got for h? It is minus 2 comma 6. So what are the possible coordinates of the circle? It can be either minus 2 comma 0 or it can be 6 comma 0. Since we got two values, that means what we're going to get? Two equations of the circle which satisfies these conditions. Okay. Now, first we will take this value and we'll find the equation of the circle. Obviously, we're going to use the central form. So it will be what? X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to radius square. Radius was 5, so it will be 25. So the first equation we got x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square equals to 25. So what will be the equation? It will be x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Done. So this is one equation of the circle. So we'll get one more equation of the circle using the another coordinate. So the other coordinate we have 6 comma 0. So what will be the equation? It will be x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to 25. If we break it down, it will be x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square equals to 25. So it will be x square plus y square minus 12x. 36 minus 12 is how much? It is become 11 equals to 0. Fine. So we got two equations of the circle. So these two circles will satisfy the conditions given for this question. Then let's take another question. It's given, find the equation of the circle when the endpoints of diameter a minus 2 comma 3 and b 3 comma 5. Let's take a circle first. It's given the diameter of a circle is given and the endpoints are given. Point A, point B. A is given as minus 2 comma 3 and point B is given as, just a second, 3 comma minus 5. So what we're going to use? We're going to use the third formula, that is the diameter formula. Let's take this as x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So what is the equation? It was x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Right? So let's put the values. So x1 is minus 2, so it will become x plus 2. x2 is 3, so it will become x minus 3. Y minus y1 is y minus 3. That is minus 5. It will become y plus 5 equals to 0. If we further solve it, what are we going to get? We will get x squared. Then we will get minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 from here. Here we will get y squared plus 5y minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. So we will get x squared minus x plus 6 plus y squared plus 2y minus 15 equals to 0. If we further simplify, it will become x squared plus y squared minus x plus 2y minus 15 and 6 will become minus 9 equals to 0. Sorry, one mistake, it was minus 6, so it will become minus 21. X square plus y square minus x plus 2y minus 21 equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. So these are the few questions we tried today. I hope all of you understood the steps, how we did these questions. If you have any doubts regarding any of the questions, you can ask me in the comments. I will see you students in the next class.